Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Marla Shell, and today I'm going to share how I was able to transform my guest bedroom. I needed to deep clean this room really bad. This area has become a dump spot in my house. I have accumulated so much decor and other items I've switched out throughout my home. I decided to paint this back wall green just to add a pop of color. I painted this wall Evergreen Fog by Sherwin Williams. As you can see, I have a lot of decluttering to do, and if you are interested in seeing how this transformation turned out, then keep watching. So far, this is how the room is looking. I didn't want to spend any more money on styling the room. I just used the curtains that I already had in my closet and the decor that I had stored away in this room. I just decided to decorate the room with it. A lot of the items I couldn't use because it just didn't go, but I thought that these colors kind of complemented each other and it turned out really cute. On this side of the room, you can see I still have a lot of decluttering to do and some cleaning. I have to find a spot to store my decor pillows. I used to have so many of them. I don't buy them anymore though because I think it's easier to just buy the pillow covers, and I just get them from Amazon.
If I wrote you a symphony just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do, because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand.
Earlier when I mentioned that I did not buy anything for this room, I do want to say that I did have to purchase a full-size mattress and also bedding for the room. So I got a sheet set from Target and also the duvet cover from Amazon. The number one thing I wanted for this room was to make sure that I had quality sheets. The sheets that I bought from Target, I believe that they are the Threshold Performance line. They are very soft. These sheets are amazing. And I don't know what it is about having white bedding that just gives more of a cozy, luxurious feel to it, but I love it.
and made you smile at every word I wrote. What would you do? Would that make you wanna change your scene?
If you enjoyed watching me transform my guest bedroom, please hit the like button to show some love. And if you want to come back to see more, go ahead and subscribe. Thanks for watching.